Vakilsearch.com. Legal is now simple. This video is going to focus on terms of service. The terms of service is also known as terms of use. It is an agreement between the user of a service and the entity providing the service. It's an agreement used for legal purposes consisting of the terms and conditions that the user must abide by in order to use the service provided. It's mainly used by the website and internet service providers that store users' personal data such as e-commerce and social networking services, etc. Now, what should a terms of service contain? Complete information on the service provided, obligation of the user, liability of the service provider, disclaimers, the relationship between service provider and third parties to the service, payment terms, process for cancellation, refund, and dispute resolution, terms and conditions in case of a breach, a copyright clause stating that all content on the service engine belongs to the service provider. There are many advantages of having a terms of service. It reduces disputes between the service provider and the user, as the terms of service makes the user aware of the service provided to him. It reduces displeasure for the user as it discloses the full information on the use of the website. The disclaimers and other clauses reduce accountability by eliminating responsibility of the service provider over all the foreseeable damages and therefore limiting his liability. The process of getting a terms of service with Vakilsearch is very simple. Step 1. Our expert lawyers will get in touch to understand your requirement in detail. Step 2. Basic information would be required from your end to commence the process. Step 3. Once all the information is provided and the payment is received, our lawyers will start working on your document. Step 4. You will receive the first draft of your watertight legal document within 4 working days. Step 5. You can review the document and get back to our team in case of any changes. Our experts will work with you till the draft is finalized to your satisfaction. To further clarify the process, the entire process is online and no physical presence is required. Once the document is drafted, we also assist in legal queries related to terms of service. The documents and the details provided to us will be kept confidential. Regular updates will be sent via email to the customers till the process ends. Our professional charges for drafting terms of service will be 1,999 plus service tax. The charges may vary in case of customization. Lastly, the big question, why Vakilsearch? Here is why. We are pioneers in legal document preparation. We are a large team of 200 plus experts. We are 70% cheaper than any comparable lawyer in your city. One-point service solution for lawyer, chartered accountant and corporate secretary. All documents are prepared promptly. We meet strict deadlines. Quality is our top priority. And of course, our 1,20,000 happy partners and clients speak for us. To name a few, CII, Taxi for Sure, Housing.com, the list goes on and on. Thank you.